Welcome to Garden Dreams. At Garden Dreams, we believe that every garden can become a personal paradise. Ten garden design secrets that instantly make your backyard look expensive. A beautiful garden doesn't always require a large space or an expensive renovation. In fact, some of the most elegant outdoor spaces are created using simple design principles that make everything feel more balanced and refined. The secret is not just the plants you choose, but how you arrange elements to create harmony, depth, and comfort. Today, we're exploring 10 garden design secrets that can instantly make any backyard look more luxurious and inviting. One of the first things professional garden designers do is create a focal point. A focal point draws attention and gives the space a sense of structure. It might be a small fountain, a sculptural tree, a pergola, or even a cozy seating area. Without a focal point, a garden can feel scattered. But when the eye naturally lands on a beautiful feature, the entire space instantly feels more intentional and elegant. Layered planting is a classic technique used in many beautiful gardens. Instead of placing plants randomly, designers arrange them in layers: tall plants at the back, medium shrubs in the middle, and smaller plants or ground cover in front. This layering creates depth and visual richness, making the garden feel lush and professionally designed. Luxury gardens often feature natural materials like wood, stone, or gravel. These materials help the garden feel warm and organic rather than artificial. A simple stone pathway, wooden pergola, or natural stone planter can instantly elevate the look of the entire outdoor space. Instead of one large empty yard, beautiful gardens are often divided into small zones. For example, a seating area, a dining corner, or a quiet reading space. These zones make the garden feel more functional and inviting, almost like an outdoor extension of the home. Lighting plays a huge role in how a garden feels, especially in the evening. Soft pathway lights, hanging lanterns, or subtle uplighting on plants can create a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Even a simple garden can feel magical when illuminated with gentle lighting. One mistake many people make is mixing too many plant colors or materials. Professional gardens often follow a limited color palette. For example, different shades of green combined with white flowers and natural textures. This consistency creates a calm and sophisticated visual effect. Curved paths are a small detail that can make a big difference. Instead of straight lines, gentle curves create a more natural flow and guide visitors through the garden in a relaxed way. Curved pathways also make the space feel larger and more interesting to explore. Texture is another secret behind beautiful garden design. Combining smooth leaves with textured grasses or structured shrubs adds contrast and visual interest. This variety keeps the garden from looking flat or monotonous. A garden becomes truly luxurious when it invites people to stay and relax. A simple bench, lounge chair, or small outdoor sofa can transform the garden into a peaceful retreat. Surround the seating area with plants, soft lighting, and natural textures to create a cozy atmosphere. Finally, one of the most powerful garden design secrets is simplicity. Overcrowding the space with too many decorations or plant varieties can make the garden feel chaotic. Instead, focus on a few beautiful elements that work together harmoniously. A simple, well-balanced garden often feels far more elegant than an overly complicated one. A thoughtfully designed garden can completely transform how a home feels. By focusing on balance, natural textures, and inviting spaces, even a small backyard can become a relaxing outdoor sanctuary. Which of these garden design secrets did you like the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more beautiful garden inspiration.